Welcome to Monday. My shoes are still wet. Let's dry them out in the sun. Yep, it's Monday. Welcome to Monday. This is the week where we need to really push now. Whether we get the thing in shop blasted by the end of the week or not is another question. Because I've got another couple of busy weekends coming up. Another weekend's time. We've got Jimbo's wedding. This weekend we're coming out. We've got some escape room thing that the missus is doing. But this week, bang! Oh, we've got my daughter's results as well. A-level results. So anybody that's watching that's waiting for their A-level results, don't panic. You could be like me because I had one GCSE, which for the young kids, I don't know what GCSE is still, but it's only one thing from school. It wouldn't even let me do A-levels. Buggers, eh? But yeah, I've done alright for myself, as in I'm healthy-ish. And you could earn loads of classic cars when you're older. Not loads. But anyway. Yeah, so again, don't panic if you're waiting for your results. Life works out, that's for sure. Yeah, so we got some little bits to fix the wife's car later. That'll be in a separate video maybe, just to kill time at a random video. Got rear boot doesn't open, so I've picked up a whole new unit, or not a new unit, a unit off eBay, and the driver's door is not unlocking, so I picked that up as well. So yeah, do that some more, and that's a surprise when the wife's out at a vintage fair. So anyway, what I'm planning on doing is just basically working around the car in a couple of episodes hopefully, and basically we're just gonna fix all the little bits as we go around instead of jumping around. Let's work around the car, make sure all the welding's done for all the areas, and we move on. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start at that corner down there, finish off the little gutter, bonnet, drip rail, and move on. Let's just see what we're missing all the way around, and see how far we get around the car in this episode. There you go, just filled in the gaps with a few little bits of scrap foreskin, and yeah, just see if we can tidy it up a bit with the angle grinder. It'll do. Run a bit of sealant down those channels. It's just to stop the rain just dripping in, make it look a bit neater as well. Okay, that's that done. I think we're all good. Along there. Might just pop a couple of little welds, just a little few pinholes. I'll just do that while I'm here. As I said, I'm doing everything. And we've run the flappy pad over the inside of this as well. I think the shop blaster will clean quite a lot of that, but I don't think it really sort of knocks off the big high spots of weld and bits and bobs. So let's give that a go. Clean that up, and then we can move on to the next section. Okie dokie. Move on to the front of the car. As I said, I think we're going to just go around in a pattern. So I should have done a little bit of this scuffle panel. Originally, I think what's happened is someone sort of smashed it in to try and get the front end to fit at some point, so it hasn't really fitted very well. I should have done a bit more work on it before I left it, before I put the wing on, but that's my fault. But I'm going to need to fix that. Finish off down the A panel. We'll try and get a soft pad on that, and yeah, just clean up the inside. Hello.
Hiya.
Hello. Clean up inside, and I've got a little hole in the doorstep to do, which again should have done ages ago, but I rushed. So yeah, let's get this corner section done, and then move along. As I said, let's go around the car. Okay, time to get the Pepsi Max out. I will get a drinks sponsor one day. I'll be happy with Pepsi Max or Stella. Either work. Yeah. Get myself a brand new soft pad. You can see I've started grinding some of that off now. I think, I don't know if it even needs a bit of filler, but just a bit of sealant just up the inside there will be fine anyway. And as I said, you don't really see this corner, so as long as, you know, the door cap down here looks good, you're golden, aren't you? So yeah, what I need to do is get the little air compressor, the air compressor dial grinder, to just try and get in some of those bits. So a bit big for the sanding pad. Yeah, funny thing is, I'm out here doing the garage, door open, and there's a house for sale over the road. Bob's, you remember Bob? Rest in peace, Bob. They're finally getting all up for sale and everything. So I don't know if I should be making noise. I suppose it's best for people to know that I'm here. Because yeah, they need to decide if they're going to live next to a YouTuber. P.S. I'm just more foreskin. Made the hole a bit bigger because it's always easier, I find easier to weld up a bigger hole than it is a small hole. Woohoo. Bit of foreskin. Ooh, 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 ooh. Welding, welding, welding. Okay, another small hole that I ignored and filled in. I think I can grind that a little bit better actually. A little bit of lead filler slash modern filler in there. Will be lovely jubbly. Alright. Yeah, next what? What next? Next what? Okay, I think I'm nearly there. Just got a little hole here and a little hole in the back there. And I think we're good. I think we're all done this side. All the way back. We'll do a bit more cleaning up on this at another point, but the welding's done. So that's all good. I suppose what we should do is try and check the seam strip at some point as well. Let's go find the seam strip and check all that as well. Okie dokie, I think we're nearly there. Seam strip pretty much goes on. A little bit tricky with these older A panels because they've got, well, seems to be for me anyway, because they're thicker. Because you've got the inner A panel as well as the outer panel, so you've actually got 3 panels here, where normally you only have 2 in the later cars. So the seam strip might just need widening a little bit once it's got the clips on, just to get over it all. But yeah, anyway, that's the end of another session. Stop grinding one day, and yeah, we finally finished welding. So one day, more people coming to look at the house. That's good. So yeah, all good. Crack on, and till next time, I guess. Any more updates? No, I don't think so, but thanks for all the feedback. Tea tonight, not got a clue. Daughter's away for a week, so hey, could take the wife out, couldn't I?